Just went shopping and we're going fishing. Let's go.
That's so heavy, I feel like my shoulder's gonna pop out my socket. Like carrying it here. Oh, camera. When we went last time, Dad went toilet, shit, and then when he flushed it, it mulches it into the water.
Oh yeah.
And all the
there's no wind, but what we've got now is a tactical apparent wind, but we're creating the wind, that's quite windy.
Oh yeah, I can't.
I've got shit hooks on there as well, to be fair. I think the hook will actually bend off.
We've got a shark on. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's tangled up. Oh,
Did we get grab the net? It's on you, Corey.
yeah, just grab it. I'll actually bring him on the boat as well.
Grab it.
Because I'm gonna have to look after him here. Do you want to try and buy this? No.
Do you want to get a photo with it?
That's okay.
And he's away.
Yeah, he's guessing they're under motor as well, because they won't be doing that under the sail. I don't believe that for a second. What's the name of the boat called again? Valhalla.
oh, I've seen
Valhalla. Yeah.
We're sailing.
You got some nice nuts.